Hey there, today we're going to look at how to fix the document size in Lucidchart. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Lucidchart's website. Over here, click on the login button. After that, enter your email and password, then click next. Then from the dashboard, go to your documents area. Over here, open an existing project or click on new to start a new one. After that, once the document is open, right click anywhere on the canvas. Then click on document settings from the menu. Over here, go to the canvas and page section. After that, scroll to the units section and select your preferred unit. Then go to the size section and adjust the dimensions. After that, review other settings like grid and snapping, spell check, and commenting. Then adjust lines and zoom settings if needed. After making changes, click on exit to close the settings. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.